One of the core process is the product design review process. Everybody who touches that product is part of that design review process. So it's important that we review that process, we see how it's working, and we try and improve it. This is the current state. You go into Windchill and Creo, right? You create your 3D models, you create your BOM, you start preparing a package that we can review with PowerPoint and whatever screenshot tool you use. So you go into your drawings, you start taking screenshots, you start putting it in, adding notes to it. Set up the meeting and run the meeting. Somebody is taking down notes. And hopefully, we've all captured it, nothing's missed, and it goes into an Excel sheet or Confluence or Jira or whatever we use to track our actions. And then we got Outlook, right? So we send out the action list, we track action list, we do follow-ups and phone calls and so on and so forth. It's okay, I mean, it's a simple process, right? Not too bad, except you make one change in one place, we got to make sure it gets captured everywhere. Or if someone says something on the Windchill side and Jeremy makes a change, we have to go back to the IE using all these channels and make sure, hey, IE, are you okay with this design change? How is your cost changing? So it's not very efficient. We've always had this problem. I mean, Scheffler's core product was a bearing. So, okay, it's easy to manage. Maybe it's okay. But now, with electrification and software and the complicated systems we are getting, it's no longer possible to do this. And there's no way we'll keep track of all of this. So what does this lead to? Excessive manual work, errors and inefficiencies, long lead times, multiple iterations, we have a risk to our project budget and timeline, and loss in profitability. So this is what we were trying to solve, and that's how our journey with CoLab began. Why did we decide to use CoLab? First thing is, it consolidates everything into one tool. That's a big game changer for us. You can track everything in one place. Asynchronous collaboration. I don't need to have a Teams meeting. I can throw in a model or a drawing. I can create a workspace, and I can say, hey team, you got 2 weeks. Start providing your feedback. The feedback doesn't stop or start because of me. One of the biggest feedback which we got is the short learning curve. I mean, it is extremely user-friendly. You can become an expert in half a day or a few hours. Reduction in manual work, obviously, catch mistakes early. So we had one instance where in that Excel sheet, we forgot to capture a certain tool cost. And we ran with it, and at the end of the day, obviously the customer's not going to pay for it because we didn't charge them for it. So we had to end up eating that cost, and it was pretty significant. Lastly is less frustration, right, for everybody. Like everyone's on the same page, and we can get work done faster. There's still communication needed. There's still people need to still pick up the phone and talk to each other. It doesn't stop that. But at least it's all transparent right now, and it's all in one location. So that's the reason why we went with CoLab, okay? So we started in 2022 with the pilot. So we picked one user group. We started with 25 users, and pretty soon we had requests from almost 90 users who wanted to be part of the pilot. The feedback was overwhelming, positive from the business. Once the pilot was done, released CoLab in phases across the region. So we wanted to take it step by step. We wanted to start with the internal rollout, make sure it's used within Scheffler, and then now we can step on the outside and start involving our suppliers and our customers. And then the last stage is the global deployment. We've got 40 licenses for the e-motor group in Germany to run a pilot to see how CoLab works for them. And then we are hoping that it kind of takes off from there. The innovation does not happen in a big bang, it happens in small steps, right? So as you can see here, you don't have to do it in one big step, you can break it up into it. Whatever works for your company, whatever works for your organization.